Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome to the online class. I hope you all are doing good. Now today we will learn new chapter in English, chapter number 18, Weeds in the Garden. Weeds, that means an unwanted plant. So the topic is the unwanted plant in the garden. So let's start the lesson. Most of the parents like to fulfill the wishes of their children. They feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids or when they have to scold them. And when even a scolding has no effect, the parents become very unhappy. Such was the case with Anshuman and his parents. So, here's the story about a boy called Anshuman and his father, and means with his parents. Most of the parents like to fulfill the wish of their children, as your parents is also trying to fulfill your all wish. Okay, they feel sorry when they cannot indulge their kids means cannot allow their children to enjoy the pleasure of something. So they feel sorry when they cannot allow their children to enjoy the pleasure of something, or when they have scold them in anger. And when even a scolding has no effect, when after so many you can say after so many things, the scolding has no effect on their children, the parents become very unhappy with their child. So there is a case with the Anshuman and his parents. Let's see what is this. Anshuman's parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. Naturally, they began to warn him time and again, but all in vain. Anshuman just wouldn't listen. He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over him. Gentle words, strict warnings, a scolding now and then. His parents tried everything short of beating him up, and that they would never do. However unhappy they themselves were, they wanted to be loving and gentle as they tried to correct their son's ways. Anshuman is a child where his parents had noticed that he was developing some bad habits. So, generally, what happened if there is some bad habits? Our parents are warning us that this is wrong thing, this is a bad thing. In the same way, his parents also warn him again and again, but all in vain. Vain means Vain means unsuccessful, but all their warnings become unsuccessful. Anshuman just wouldn't listen them. He refused to believe that he was letting those bad habits get a hold over. Get a hold over means get control. He refused to believe that he was letting those habits to get control over him. Their parents use gentle words, strict warnings, scolding words, but now, after tried so many things and everything, they beat him up. That their son understand that he was developing some bad habits in himself, and that they would never do. But no parents want to beat or scold their children. But here is the same case. However unhappy they themselves were, they wanted to be loving and gentle as they tried to correct their son's wrong way. Soon as opportunity present itself, Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with his parents. Soon the parents of Anshuman got an opportunity itself that Anshuman had gone to stay on his grandfather's farm with their parents. So in early morning, one morning, What his father do? His father took him for a walk around the farm. He was describing the specialties of various plants and vines and bushes and trees to Anshuman. Suddenly he stopped and pointed at a small seedling growing near a plant. Vines Vines means lace or creeper means lace of plants of lace. nahi. You can say that there is a lace of a plants. You can say in Hindi bale. Bushes, that means shrub. Seedling, that means small plants or sprouted plants. So what his father do while walking in his father's farm, the Anshuman's father was walking around the farm and he was describing the specialties of various plants and veins, shrubs and trees to Anshuman. And suddenly, what happened? He stopped at some point and pointed towards a small plant growing near a plant. Anshuman. Anshumans, that's a weed. Can you pull it out? Weed, I have earlier said that it is a means an unwanted plant. The Anshuman's father told to Anshuman that Anshuman, that is a weed. Can you pull it out? Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling all the small seedlings. Good, said his father, and they continued with their walk. After a while, they came upon the same weed, but there it had grown slightly bigger. Anshuman's father told him to pull out this plant too. He told him to uproot the weed carefully, making sure that no trace of the root was left in the soil. Otherwise, the weed can grow again, he warned. And after Anshuman had pulled out the weed earlier, said Anshuman had no difficulty in pulling those small seedlings out. Then his father said, "Good, Anshuman," and they continued walking again. After some times, what happened? They come upon the same weed, but this is slightly bigger than the previous one. Anshuman's father told him that pull it out too, and he told him that uproot the weed. That means pull it out from the root, because if he fail to do so, the plant or the root will again grow. Anshuman uprooted the plant carefully, twisting it and pulling it hard so that the whole of it came out. Anshuman, what he did, he uprooted the plant very carefully by twisting it, pulling it hard so that the whole of a plant came out. Then his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance. There it had grown into a big plant with tiny flowers and dark fruit. And after pulling out the second weed, what his father drew his attention to the same weed growing at some distance, but this one is bigger plant with tiny flowers and dark fruit on it. That could be quite dangerous. We must not leave it growing there. Take it out, said Anshuman's father. What Anshuman's father said to Anshuman, that could be quite dangerous, that it will destroy the farm. So we must not leave it growing there. Take it out, said to Anshuman. Anshuman held the plant in his hand and gave it a tug. The weed didn't move at all. He pulled harder and harder, but to no avail. No avail means with no success. Tug. The word tug, that means to pull something very hard. What Anshuman did, Anshuman held that plant in his hand and gave it a tight tug. But the weed didn't move at its own place. He tried harder and harder to pull it out, but he did not success in pulling out this weed. I can't get this out, exclaimed Anshuman. It has gone too deep into the soil. What Anshuman said to his father, that I can't get it out, I can't get this out. It has gone too deep in the soil. So then his father brought some implements. Then they dug around the weed and with great effort pulled it out. Implements means some equipments. So what his father do, he brought some equipment and they dug around the weed, and with great effort and sorry with the great effort they tried, they successfully pulled it out. When they were returning home after the hard work, Anshuman's father mentioned, while after all that happens, they successfully pull out that big weed. That time, after returning home, Anshuman's father mentioned to the Anshuman that habits are like weeds. What he told to his son, that habits are like just those unwanted plant. The longer you allow them to grow, the harder it is to uproot them. He said, the longer you allow them to grow, that means the longer you allow to grow your bad habits, it is harder to uproot them. It is a wise to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. He again said, it is good to get rid of them when it is easy to do so. Anshuman realized the truth in his father's word. Throughout his life, he never forgot that early morning walk on the farm with his father. Now Anshuman realized the truth in his father's word, that his father is saying right thing, that the bad habits growing inside him, but after some time it will be difficult, or it will be not easy to get rid of them. So throughout his life he never forget that early morning walk on the farm with his father. So children, what you have understood from this lesson? Children, every person has good and bad habits. What is important is, how do you deal with it? How could we do to overcome a bad habits? First thing and most important thing is to accept it. Only then your parents can help you to get rid of all these bad habits. A person who corrects himself in time is always loved to by all. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till then, take care, Jazakallah, and thank you.